مرحبا يا رمضان مرحبا يا رمضان.
Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. And I want to take this opportunity to wish you Ramadan Mubarak. This blessed month is a real blessing and a lifeline for many of us. And I want to share a reminder that I heard a couple of years ago that really struck this notion home that we mustn't miss this opportunity for forgiveness. There are opportunities throughout this whole month for forgiveness, and we must take advantage of them. There's a story about the Prophet, peace be upon him, and basically he was about to do a khutbah, and so he stepped up to his minbar, and there were 3 steps leading up to it, and on each step the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said Ameen. So he reached the first step, said Ameen, second step, said Ameen, third step, said Ameen. Now, after the khutbah was delivered, the companions asked the Prophet, peace upon him, they were baffled. Why would you say Ameen? You weren't making dua, and nobody was talking to you. So what was that all about? And the Prophet, peace upon him, mentioned that he'd actually been approached by Angel Jibril, who actually gave a dua to him. And this dua was, if anyone lives to witness the month of Ramadan and don't get all of their sins forgiven, may Allah keep them from his mercy. Now this is the best of creation, Prophet Muhammad, peace upon him, the best of angels in Angel Jibril. This dua must be granted from Allah. And this dua really hits home this notion that we can't miss this opportunity. As Muslims, who are likely to, well, definitely sin throughout the year, we need this forgiveness. We need this month. It's a lifeline to many of us, and we must take advantage of it where we can. Assalamu alaikum.